Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 24 of my Tag a Day November. For those of you in the United States, happy Thanksgiving. I hope that your day is filled with lots of yummy food and being surrounded by friends and family, or just doing whatever you want to do. For today's tag, I used some baker's twine. I used the super cute gingerbread kisses stamp set from Craft and Kimmy. See if you can see it better there. There you go. So cute. It just recently came back in stock, so I was excited to grab it up. I used the Sunny Studio Mini Matte and Tag 4, which is this one here. And then don't you love my pile here? This is a old collection from Stamping Up called Candy Cane Lane. And so it was kind of interesting to dig through all the scraps to find some that would make my tag. And there is my cute tag for the day, that fun gingerbread, and that super fun paper. I love the gumdrops there, and you can kind of see the other candies and gingerbread cookies peeking through. And there's the back, and there's that twine. And I thought that one just turned out so cute. Sometime I might have to do another one that uses the little girl gingerbread from that stamp set. So there is my tag for day 24. I will be back tomorrow for day 25. We're narrowing in on the end there. This has been so much fun. Thanks so much for all your kind comments and for taking time to watch every day. I really do appreciate it. Now go do something crafty or spend time with those that you want to. Have an amazing day.